Welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. Investment into Bitcoin is alarming. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market value, has moved with traditional markets lately. Behaving similar to a tech stock, the correlation between Bitcoin, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq has hit all-time highs in recent months. For example, Bitcoin was skyrocketing in November 2021, hitting an all-time high of nearly $69,000. But less than 3 months later, the cryptocurrency had lost nearly half its value, plummeting to around $35,000. That volatility attracts traders looking to make a profit, but it's nerve-wracking, especially for new investors looking to get started. We have seen how the popular celebrities like Kim Kardashian and tech giants Elon Musk have talked about the declining values of cryptocurrencies and how it is affecting them. All cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on decentralized ledger systems called blockchains, which let users transact namelessly without registering a bank account or interacting with traditional financial gatekeepers. Amid the great crypto crash, a report says that Bitcoin investors are coming back even though major altcoins continue to bleed. The price of BTC fell even further as Terra LUNA disintegrated into ashes, wiping out most of the investors' wealth. Analysts have stated that BTC's current upward momentum might be limited and a bullish price rally is one of the last things that investors should expect from the crypto. The year 2022 will much likely be similar to the 2018 bearish crypto market. Key indicators have estimated that according to the previous all-time dips in the bearish market conditions, the BTC price could be somewhere between $14,000 to $21,000. Such price developments generally discourage investors from diversifying their investment portfolios by indulging in digital assets. And if Bitcoin really falls as low as $14,000 or even close to it, it would actually result in the loss of nearly 80% of its value from its all-time high of nearly $68,000. Whereas there is no official data available on the size of India's crypto market, but industry estimates say the number of investors ranges from 15 million to 20 million with total holdings of about 400 billion rupees or $5.25 billion. The Indian crypto exchanges CoinSwitch and WazirX have disabled rupee deposits for the purchase of cryptocurrency through a widely used state-backed transfer network, spurring users to renew demands for regulatory clarity. In February, India decided to tax income from cryptocurrencies and other digital assets at 30%, signaling those authorities accepted digital currencies, but uncertainty over regulation has weighed on the industry. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has echoed the concerns raised by the Reserve Bank of India on cryptocurrencies. The market regulator has told lawmakers that consumer protection and enforcement of any regulatory regime over crypto assets would be challenging due to the decentralized nature of the digital instruments. As crypto assets are maintained in decentralized distributed ledgers, which are nested in computer nodes spread all across the globe, there is a great likelihood of execution of unauthorized trades not in consonance with any regulatory framework, SEBI has told the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance. The market regulator also said that clarity needs to be brought on whether cryptocurrencies can be legally defined as securities. If crypto assets are not banned, then there is a need for feature-based characterization of the tokenized version of the assets, which may attract supervision of different sectoral regulators. It also suggested possible regulation of crypto trading platforms by the RBI under the FEMA, as crypto assets are available for trading in foreign jurisdiction as well, and consumers abroad can remit funds to India using such currency. As part of customer protection, SEBI had also proposed various measures to the Advertising Standards Council of India. But investors are quite worried about the impact of global incidences on the crypto market. Even after the massive volatility in the crypto market, Bitcoin is still being adopted by some of the major national and democracies in the world. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. Meesho sends legal notice to company CEO for alleged smear campaign. E-commerce unicorn Meesho has sent a cease and desist notice to an influencer marketing company's CEO accused of being involved in a smear campaign against the company on social media. The notice has asked the influencer marketing manager to reveal on whose behalf he was working, take down all defamatory content posted on its instructions, and tender an unconditional apology to Meesho. One of the purported conversations also showed the marketing company CEO claiming that one of Meesho's competitors was his client. Rupeek lays off over 180 of employees. Gold loans platform Rupeek has laid off 10 to 15% of its employee base. Rupeek has over 1,200 employees and has laid off over 180 people. The company justified the layoffs as the subdued macroeconomic environment has compelled the firm to recalibrate its strategy, relook at its cost, and make the organization structure leaner to support sustenance and growth. The move comes in the background of widespread layoffs by startups and edtechs. Over 6,000 employees have been laid off by startups including Unacademy, Vedantu, Eduditus, Cars24, M5, Lido, among others. Samsung introduces world's first 240Hz OLED display. Samsung Display, the world's biggest OLED display manufacturer for small and medium-sized panels, has announced the world's first 240Hz OLED display panel for laptops and has started the mass production of the panel. The company's first 240Hz OLED panel for laptops measures 15.6 inches diagonally and has a QHD resolution. The new 15.6-inch OLED panel for Samsung Display has debuted with the MSI Raider GE67HX. The high-end Windows 11 gaming laptop features up to Intel's 12th Gen Core i9 CPU, up to NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3080 Ti GPU, up to 245W TDP, plenty of ports and better cooling. It offers 0.2 ms response time, VESA Display HDR 600 certification, true blacks, wide color gamut, and low blue light emissions. SASIndia partners with Rajasthan Govt to skill officials and students. Data analytics major SAS has rolled out a program for the Rajasthan Govt which aims to skill officials and students in data analytics. This is part of the company's focus on the public sector as a key segment for its India business. The first batch of the program with 20 Rajasthan officials commenced on May 30 and will continue till June 10. The batches for students will commence on July 15. The Rajasthan Govt has also planned an event called the Super 100, an online quiz program targeting 100,000 students and graduates from across India. RBI approves tolling credit cards with UPI. The Reserve Bank has allowed credit cards to be linked with the Unified Payments Interface, which will enable more people to make payments using the popular platform. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das said the new arrangement is expected to provide more avenues and convenience to the customers in making payments through the UPI platform. At present, UPI facilitates transaction by linking savings or current accounts through users. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.